Okay, I'm getting ready to pressure wash my driveway, and I want to add a pre-cleaner first to allow it to sit and break up some of the dirt and grime built up on the concrete to make surface cleaning much easier and effective. I'm using the ZEP driveway and concrete pressure wash. It just takes very little bit. I'll apply this into my foam cannon on my pressure washer, then I'll get started on the pressure washer. So let's check this out. Okay, I'm going to be using this foam bomber that came with my Power Right pressure washer, so I can apply the pre-cleaner to my driveway prior to pressure washing. To put this on, you just simply push down on this connection here. And there's a couple of grooves on the bottle here. You just line it up with the slots inside the wand, press down and turn, quarter of a turn, and then you have your foamer attached. Then you just simply unscrew that one time. There's a little slot there. Fill this up with your concrete cleaner, and then apply that. Allow it to set for a few minutes, and then you're ready to go. I definitely recommend the ZEP driveway and concrete pressure wash prior to anyone pressure washing their driveway. Makes it much easier and more effective.